Well, hello my YouTube peeps. So I wanted to try, this video is going to be super short, but I wanted to try this additive. It is from Glade. It goes in the paint and it makes the walls or whatever you're painting obviously smell super good. So I'm going to give it a try. And by the way, I am not trying to kill myself. These are headphones. Okay. So I have to say this smells really good. It's very concentrated, it's very strong. I just cut it at the tip with the scissors so you can see a little kind of hole in there. So this is what it is, a paint additive. It smells like crisp waters, and according to the directions, I do just add to enamel paints. It says, whoop, sorry. It says 1 pack per gallon of latex. So I've already used some of this, but this is half. I would say maybe probably a little less than half. So I'm not going to use the whole additive. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but yeah. So it's half a gallon in here. Okay, so here I go. Just gonna, ooh, comes out real fast, super liquidy, and just by the feel of it, that's probably half of this thing. Okay, that's it. So now I'm just gonna mix with this thingamabobber paint stick, and feels like I'm trying to bake some pancakes. Okay, so I'm rolling. It's already in, but let me tell you, it is strong. And they say that it's supposed to last several months according to the instructions. So I would recommend a 3 out of 10 because the smell only lasted about 7 days, and after the 5th day it started dissipating. So, you know, it's good if you have a small space to paint. I think it would last longer, but I had a really big space and I think that's why it didn't last as long. That's my recommendation. So give it a try. In the comments below, let me know what you think about it and if you are going to try it. They have different varieties of smells, so I chose that one though for now, but it works. It's just not as long. Anywho, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Insta or on Facebook.